Good day. In today's video I will show you how we're gonna bring back the inside of your pots. Usually what gets, we can clean it and it never comes pretty right. So I will show you how we're gonna bring it back to life very easily. What I will show you will not work obviously on pan like this one that are black inside. It will work on something that's white or that kind of color. Okay, so this one is a cheap pan, but this one is a much more expensive one. This one it's a Le Creuset. Not sure if you know that brand. It's a very expensive one. It's quite old. This one's got about 40 years old, but you pay for the quality, so that's why it's still there. So we're gonna clean it very nicely now. To clean it will be very easy. We'll place some bleach inside, we'll warm it, we'll put the fire under, and then we'll clean it all around. So obviously, because this one's a big one, we can use as well a paintbrush, or if not, you can simply move it like this. Okay, so let's do it now. Bear in mind that this pot hasn't been deep cleaned like this for many years, okay? But I'm not sure if you can see it with the camera, but here there's a difference. And I will show you on the other side how it is. Here we go. Can you see the difference? So obviously, if you do this more often, then obviously you'll see a difference rather quickly as well. Can you see the bottom as well? How much whiter it is? So what do you think of the result? It's quite good. So the key for it to clean like this so good is that the bleach has to be boiling. Okay, so if it's the first time you do it, just make sure that you stand, for instance, on this part. Okay, you put it on the fire to make sure there's bubbles, that it's boiling, and you will see it clean itself. Okay, later, if for instance you've cleaned it and you want to do maintenance after maybe 6 months, something like that, just to give it a go with the pencil, it'll be great. Okay, but for the first time it'll be better that way. Okay, now I will show you the difference between before and after. I've left a part on purpose. Okay, obviously you can see it. Okay, so that's what you can expect doing it. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.